it's your girl Nuni, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you for coming back to watch another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this video is going to be my 4 top things that I cannot leave the house with. The first thing I cannot leave the house without is my brows, because brows are everything. Brows is what makes the face up, I think. If you don't have brows, you don't have anything. So I like to make sure I at least touch up my brows before I leave the house. Sometimes I do that with a pencil, my pomade. I even use mascara just to simply shade them in real quick, and I'm done. Second thing I cannot leave the house without is my lashes. So you want to make sure you have some nice lashes. Lashes are everything. Lashes, other than brows, are to me what makes it look a look, because you need something to make them pop. The next thing I cannot leave the house without is my lip gloss. And I love a clear lip gloss, but I also like to have something a little sparkly to put over the top. It kind of just gives it that oomph. But to top that, I like to use a brown pencil. And if I don't have a pencil, I'll use a brown pomade. And if you don't have a pomade, you can use a brown eyeshadow, like what I use for this look. And my last and final thing that I cannot leave the house without is my mascara, because you need something to top those lashes with to just give them that, full effect. So comment below and let me know what are some things that you cannot leave the house without. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.